Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for the Math GED. First, begin by taking a full-length practice test to pinpoint your current math proficiency. This initial assessment is crucial for understanding which areas, such as algebra or geometry, require more attention. The GED math test covers 4 main content areas, with about 45 questions in total. Knowing your starting point will help you create a personalized study plan, making your preparation much more efficient and targeted. Next, dedicate time to mastering the core mathematical concepts. The GED math test heavily emphasizes algebra, which makes up about 55% of the exam. Geometry accounts for 20%, while number operations and data analysis each make up about 15%. Ensure you understand concepts like solving linear equations, calculating the area of a circle, and interpreting various data sets. Consistent review of these foundational topics is key to building confidence and improving your score. To maximize your study efforts, utilize a variety of effective resources. Official GED study materials provide comprehensive content aligned with the test objectives. Many online platforms offer interactive lessons and thousands of practice questions. Aim to complete at least 30 minutes of focused study each day. Consider using a calculator, like the TI3XS Multi-View, which is permitted on the test, to familiarize yourself with its functions. Consistent practice with diverse materials will solidify your knowledge. Finally, develop strong test-taking strategies to perform your best on exam day. The Math GED test is 115 minutes long, so pacing yourself is crucial. Don't spend too much time on any single question. If you're stuck, make an educated guess and move on. Remember, the passing score is 145 out of 200. Staying calm, focused, and applying these strategies will significantly boost your chances of achieving a successful outcome.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.